Hi, so today in this video, we are going to learn how to create a story using ChatGPT. If you already have a story, that's awesome. If you're still thinking about putting your ideas together, we're going to use ChatGPT. I would show you how you can create your story and bring it to life so that you can publish it on Amazon KDP. So let's jump right in. It depends on what your area of interest is. ChatGPT can help you achieve that and then provide you the keywords to the book. So for me, I'm creating a children's book. I'm talking about the story of Adam. So that says, I want to create a storybook. A children's storybook. You have to, one thing I have found in my experience on prompting is that you have to be very specific in telling the AI exactly what, so the AI can actually reason as you would have and just enhance your reasoning, give you more ideas into your creativity. People need to understand that AI will not replace what you are thinking, but AI will just help you improve on what you are thinking, right? So I want to create a children's storybook about a children's storybook on Adam and Eve. I already have my storyline. I need you to research the keywords for Amazon KDP that will help my book better and, of course, result to sales. Okay? Result to sales. I want to write a children's storybook of Adam and Eve. Okay, let's say I don't have a story, so I'm going to change it. I want to write a storybook of Adam and Eve in the Bible. I want the story to be about very simple to understand while also teaching children some great lesson to learn and great facts about Adam and Eve. See? So I'm removing, I have the storyline, like I said, I've done it, but let's just use this because of, most of you are just beginning for the first time. Then I need you to research the keywords for Amazon KDP that will help my book rank better and, of course, result to sales. So let's see what ChatGPT is going to give us. You can add more information if you want. This is just like the simplest of it all. And then see, we have our story, we have our keywords, we have all the tips here. So it has given us everything that we need, and it's asking now to give clues of the keywords. We have provided the story. So this step is done. The next step now will be to get the sizing of our book. So I'll see you on my next video.